So you're online looking at the best places to stay in Ocho Rios, Jamaica, and come across the Moon Palace Jamaica Resort. If you're like me, you really like what you see, but you also have a few questions before you can confidently book your stay, like, is Moon Palace Jamaica really all-inclusive? How far is the resort from the airport, and do the rooms actually look like the pictures? In this video, I'm gonna help you plan well for your trip to Moon Palace Jamaica by answering some of the most asked questions about the Moon Palace Jamaica. And I'm gonna give you a room tour based on our 5 days stay at the resort. Hi everybody, I'm Antoinette and welcome back to my channel. At Frolic and Courage, I like to help you plan well, have fun, and travel the world. And today, y'all, whether you're looking to visit Moon Palace Jamaica for a vacation, a wedding, or event, let's jump right in. First up, what is Moon Palace Jamaica? Moon Palace Jamaica is a high-end, 5-star luxury all-inclusive resort with restaurants, bars, multiple quick order eateries, 4 swimming pools, activities, a private beach, 24-hour room service, Wi-Fi, the largest spa in Jamaica. It is really incredible. Is Moon Palace Jamaica adults only? Well, no, it's not. It's a family-friendly resort with plenty of activities, as separate kid-friendly spaces, and so couples, singles, families, and friends can all have an amazing time. Where is Moon Palace Jamaica located? Moon Palace Jamaica is located on the northern side of the island in the St. Anne Parish on Main Street in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. It is nearby famous attractions such as Dunn's River Falls and Park, Mystic Mountain, Sun Valley Plantation, Blue Mountain, and Conoco Falls. When was Moon Palace Jamaica built? Moon Palace Jamaica was actually built in the 1970s, believe it or not, as a Jamaica resort hotel. After many ownership transfers, the property became Sunset Jamaica Grand, but in 2015, Palace Resorts acquired the property, renovated it, and rebranded as the Moon Palace Jamaica. One of the questions I had when booking was, how far is Moon Palace Jamaica from the airport? And what airport do you go to for Moon Palace Jamaica? Like, what is the nearest airport to the Moon Palace? You have Montego Bay Sangster Airport, which is 1.5 to 2.5 hours depending on traffic, or 60 miles. Then there's Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, which is 65 miles away. So both of them have similar distances, and both will take between 1.5 and 2.5 hours to get there depending on traffic. I personally flew out of Montego Bay, and you'll see why in just a few moments. So since it's far away, does Moon Palace Jamaica have an airport shuttle? And yes they do. No later than 48 hours before your trip, you can book a shuttle directly with the property. You'll receive a link to the Palace Resorts transportation booking portal in your hotel confirmation email. Once you log in with your confirmation code, you'll enter your flight details for pickup and drop off. Once you actually arrive in Jamaica, after exiting customs, you'll meet the representative at the Jamaica Tours JTL desk located on the far left of the Grand Transportation Hall. A Moon Palace rep will be waiting for you to escort you to your transportation. It costs around $60 for a group transfer or over $100 for a private transfer. But if you book 4 nights or more, round-trip ground airport transfers from Montego Bay, Jamaica are included in your rate. This does not apply to Kingston Airport, sadly, but this is exactly what we used. It was comfortable, air-conditioned, and the driver was amazing. We had a Wi-Fi code password for the trip, and it was really a comfortable, fun experience, and everybody was excited to arrive at the hotel. Now for real, is Moon Palace Jamaica all-inclusive? Like, what is included at Moon Palace Jamaica? Yes, it is all-inclusive. Restaurants, bars, buffets, quick service eateries, the Noir nightclub, entertainment, Wi-Fi, 24-hour room service, premium drinks, and in-room minibar are included. Does Moon Palace Jamaica have a gym? Yes, it does, and the gym is included even with the fitness classes that are offered. Non-motorized water sports such as kayaking, paddle boarding, and the Flow Rida surf simulator are included in the price. There are pool chairs, wait staff service serving you cocktails and food and snacks, live music, it's all included. And that sounds great and everything, but what's the extra charge? What is the catch? What is not included? What we found is there may be 1 or 2 items on the menu, like lobster, that has an additional upcharge. Spa services and activities are an additional fee, with spa services ranging from $60 for a manicure to around $600 for an 80-minute couples massage, deep tissue. You can book activities on site with the concierge, like to Conoco Falls, Dunn's River, and those prices range from $80 to $200 per person, with transportation to and from the activities included in that price. Photo services and the gift shop are an additional fee. And as far as pricing for the actual room, expect to pay between $400 to $600 per night, but there are often holiday specials, seasonal specials that include room credits in addition to your discounted rate, where you can use those room credits to book activities, spa treatments up to a certain dollar amount, and you can even purchase certain items at the gift shop. And the gift shop, y'all, has clothes, seasoning, resort wear, everything you need for a great trip. So say you book a room, what is the Moon Palace Jamaica cancellation policy? Moon Palace Jamaica offers a flexible cancellation policy. You can cancel your reservation for free up to 4 days before your arrival without any penalty. If you need to make changes or cancel within 3 days of arrival or for no-shows, there is a one-night penalty charge. Spa services are non-refundable and activities have to be canceled within a certain time period as listed when you book. So the website looks nice and so far so good, but is Moon Palace Jamaica nice? It is a 5-star property that is meticulously maintained, offering guests a top-notch experience that's nothing really short of luxurious. And as a matter of fact, here is a room tour so you can see our room for yourself. We booked the Ocean View Deluxe room. Hey y'all, we're staying at the Moon Palace in Jamaica and I thought I'd give you a little room tour. Let's go. First thing, we have a very long hallway that leads straight to these really large sliding glass windows. To my left, we have the bathroom, and to my right, we have a closet. It is a little bit narrow here, so it's gonna be a little tight, so let's keep going. To the right, we have a bathroom here. Our bathroom, we of course have the toilet next to a wonderful phone with sliding doors. And I'm not gonna use the bathroom on y'all, so fear not. After the bathroom, we have this vanity area here. And the vanity area has got this large mirror that is nicely lit. Then we have a vanity like close-up mirror that I can cut on and I can cut off with the click of a button. We have a very narrow vanity and one sink. Then we have a shower too. The shower is pretty big. I really like the kind of cool gray designs and glass windows. Y'all know we don't do curtains anymore. It's nasty. Right across we have the beautiful closet with an ironing board. We also have a robe, and the hotel actually has Chi products. Pretty much if I want to do my hair, they have all Chi products in here. So take a look at this.
You said Chi or
Chi, that's the name of it. It's called Chi. Rave's like, I don't know what a Chi is.
Cha-cha-cha-chia.
So now we move into the living space, which is the most bright, airy part of it. And I love the nice decor. It's got these cool whites. It's got these like teals and blues and greens and kind of like a warm taupey colors. It's really nice. We've got a full suite of drawers and cabinets here. Plenty of space to keep all of your clothes, and it's soft clothes. Actually have a mini fridge. Oh, and it's a stocked mini fridge. And look, we even have apple bite juice drinks for me, not kids. I like apple juice too. We have this like large LG TV and a full like vanity space here with a Mr. Coffee maker, an ice bucket with 2 Watas, like literally Wata is the name of the brand. When we got to our room, we actually had how many beds, hun?
We had 2 beds.
They looked like 2 full-size beds. We're like, hey, where's our king-size bed? They didn't have any more, so.
That's kind of like the I Love Lucy back in the day where they had
the separate beds, right?
Yeah.
So we were like, nah. So there are no more rooms with king-size beds. So what they actually suggested is combining the beds together. And that's what we have over here, 2 full-size beds combined. Over to the right, dresser and drawer space. And there's plenty of mirrors all throughout the property. So there's a mirror on the right side of the bed, there's a mirror on the left side. Now that you have a great idea of what a room looks like, is Moon Palace Jamaica safe? And I think Moon Palace Jamaica is safe. It's a gated property with a security booth, and I never felt threatened once. It's within walking distance to the Ocho Rios market, so if you want to go into town, you can do so. I never once felt threatened or unsafe. Y'all know I love to eat. I am a foodie. So what is the food like at Moon Palace Jamaica? Is it even good? Is it worth it? And in my opinion, the food at Moon Palace Jamaica is really good. Let's just say we never starved at Moon Palace Jamaica. The food is good in our opinion, and here's what we ate and what we thought of it. Really quickly, there's the Buccaneers Reef Buffet, and this buffet is open from around 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. and it serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This was our favorite place to eat because of the variety. They had international flavors and a bunch of items. You can get everything from freshly made omelets and salads, beef stew, sushi, desserts, fruit, and soups, and we would rate this about a 9 out of 10. Then there's a Jerk Shack, which is an on-the-spot eatery that serves grilled jerk chicken, corn, and other snacks throughout the day. At night, it transforms to a casual beachside restaurant service where you have oxtail and other great Jamaican dishes. We give this a 7 out of 10. Pier 8 is a seaside outdoor restaurant that focuses on Caribbean grilled food like steak, fish, and it's open from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We give this an 8 out of 10. Gondola Italian Cuisine, which serves Italian dishes, drinks, and desserts. This was not our favorite restaurant due to the kind of excessive amount of cheese and some of the dishes were overcooked. But overall, even though it wasn't our favorite restaurant, I would give it maybe like a 5 out of 10 because the appetizers and drinks were good. Then we have Momo Asian Cuisine, which features sushi and a teppanyaki grill. Reservations are required through the Palace Resort app, which you've got to download. It's available from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and it books quickly. We enjoyed a great show and lively atmosphere, and not to mention the food was really good. We gave it an 8 out of 10. There's also a smart casual dress code for Pier 8, Gondola, and Momo. Button-up shirts, no beach attire or athletic wear, so dress accordingly. The Sundeck pizzas are tasty and the perfect place to grab a snack or a slice of pizza on the go, and they also have salads and pastas. I give it about a 7 out of 10. The Boulangerie is open 24 hours and it serves pastries, ice cream, coffee, tea, truffles, cake, popsicles throughout the day. Service is fast and friendly, and this place is popular, and we found ourselves going multiple times along with everybody else, and we give it a 9 out of 10. And of course there's 24-hour room service, and it's so easy to order through the app with everything from breakfast to lunch, snacks, and custom-made cakes for a special event. And of course those custom-made cakes have an additional fee. The food was fresh, hot, delivered to our room, and delicious. We give this a 9 out of 10. Those are just the places we ate at, but there are more eateries on site like a poolside grill, sushi, pizza, and panini. If you have any questions about the resort, just type it in the description box down below. But from its stunning amenities and family-friendly atmosphere, this resort has it all. So if you're craving a vacation that's both luxurious and adventurous, look no further than the Moon Palace Jamaica. If you want to see more of the property and all the fun we had with the activities that we booked at the resort, then you definitely want to check out our Ocho Rios video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye!